Hey, welcome back to Volkswagen Waterloo, everybody. It's winter, and we know in winter in Canada means salt, and that's what a lot of the backs of your vehicles look like right now. Sometimes when you have a backup camera, it's covered in salt. You got to go out and clean it manually. However, did you know that the new Tiguan has a really cool feature? When you spray windshield washer fluid out the back and clean up the back of your window, there's a little nozzle back here that actually sprays. It's a jet that sprays and cleans the back of your camera. Let's see how it operates, all right? How cool is that? Look at that. Now you've got a nice, it's pretty wet, but you've got a wet, clean camera ready to use when you're about to go into reverse. It also does a good job of cleaning half of your license plate too. So pretty cool. You're responsible to clean the other half. Thanks for checking out this video here at Volkswagen Waterloo. Stay tuned for more.